Welcome everybody. We've been through a lot in the last 30 plus years, constant battles, the ebbs and flow of the weather. So we're preparing to take the next step in growth by taking on a partner that can turbocharge us into a new dimension.
I want to be the first to welcome you to Groundworks. This is the fastest growing home services company in America. We actually have 79 offices as of today, and this is a big move for us moving into Boston to continue our growth.
They have the ability to take this company to the next level, allowing each company member a vested interest in success by actually giving performance ownership to the employees.
We call ourselves a tribe because we are owned by the employees of this company. This is an opportunity for a career, for you to grow, make more money, open new offices, move up in leadership roles.
I'll tell you, I am proud, honored, and humbled to be a part of this company.
It's a great company. You've been fighting it out alone without proper capitalization for many years. Today is a new day.
I'm proud to have been considered by Groundworks. Finally finding a solution that will take us to the next level. We bear down to achieve our goal today.